The woman who led the push for Tennessee's new sober DUI law is now continuing her push for justice. The Tennessee Highway Patrol arrested Labreesha Batey for DUI last year in Giles County. But blood tests proved at that time that she was completely sober. She was not under the influence of either alcohol or drugs.
Well, Batey filed a federal lawsuit for more than $1 million. She's not the only one.
In tonight's Fox 17 News Investigates, Kelly Avellino discovers nearly 24 other people who are suing over sober DUI arrests.
A 2024 Tennessee Highway Patrol traffic stop in Giles County quickly devolved into confusion, and now Fox 17 has the body cam video to show what happened.
And I'm sorry, I'm trying to maintain my emotions.
What I need you to do is pull through.
The trooper pulled Labreesha Batey over for speeding, but she misunderstood his instructions to move her car ahead and kept driving.
Pull over.
Once she pulled over again,
Get out of the car!
the trooper drew his weapon, uncertain if Batey was evading, keeping it pointed downward in the body cam video.
Turn around. Turn around.
He ordered her to the ground.
Face away from me.
And it's still hard to relive that whole experience.
Sorry, sir. I was trying to find the exit. I'm sorry, sir.
The trooper temporarily put Batey in cuffs. Batey says she was shaken as the trooper spoke to her near the patrol car.
Are you okay?
I lost my grandmother 2 days ago.
Okay. You had anything to drink today or anything like that?
No, sir. I
Hadn't
don't
smoked
drink.
in.
He gave Batey a field sobriety test.
Left?
She requested a breathalyzer, like so many others in sober DUI situations.
No, can you take a breathalyzer test?
Fox 17 News uncovering hundreds of people.
A Fox 17 investigation previously uncovered that most law enforcement agencies in Middle Tennessee no longer use breathalyzers, saying blood draws are more accurate since they detect both alcohol and drugs. But some sober DUI victims and the attorneys representing them say that breathalyzers are a real-time tool that can give officers more information about what's going on with the driver, even if it's not a full picture.
I'm placing you under arrest for driving under the influence, okay?
I'm not. No.
Batey, who works as a systems engineer for NASA, says she was flabbergasted.
I carry myself with a standard of excellence. I don't engage in any drugs or alcohol.
She was just like really confused and like she did terrible on walk and turn, one leg stand, all of it. I mean, she's definitely under the influence of something.
But Batey wasn't under the influence of anything. Her blood tests came back negative.
I suffer from PTSD, in which case I had to go to therapy for. My reputation. They put a mugshot out there on me. That alone is threatening my job, my career.
A judge dismissed and expunged Batey's charges, but the repercussions of sober DUI arrests can be long-lasting.
I just can't believe this.
Fox 17 News has worked to expose the impact for more than a year. People lose jobs and face rising insurance costs, attorneys' fees, and emotional stress.
There's a problem in Tennessee.
Fox 17 also uncovered more than 600 people arrested for DUI who were completely sober in Tennessee.
Ayes 95, no nays.
Batey helped pass a state law this year requiring an annual list be made public of all police departments registering sober DUIs.
Senate Bill 1166 stems from some really great local reporting in Nashville. Fox 17.
But now, Batey's battle focuses on her own lawsuit. The complaint alleges her constitutional rights were violated, including false arrest and imprisonment, which the trooper denies.
The big question in these cases is always, was there enough probable cause for law enforcement to make an arrest? Police will likely say that the person showed enough signs to justify a DUI charge and that it's unsafe to let questionable drivers go. Here's what the trooper in Batey's case had to judge.
In the body camera video, Batey performs a series of field sobriety tests for about 13 minutes. Even with the body cam, Batey and the trooper disagree about what they say is happening during that stop. However, when another trooper arrives on scene, the officer arrests her. Batey also filed a complaint with the Tennessee Highway Patrol over the arrest. The THP's Office of Professional Accountability found that the trooper did violate policy in forgetting to put Batey's seatbelt on and turning off the dash cam video for the whole stop. A supervisor who reviewed the video also wrote, "Throughout their entire encounter, Ms. Batey seemed confused as to what was taking place. The trooper was very patient, courteous, and professional."
I understand, being a little bit amped up in the situation. Like I said, I just want to make sure that you were okay.
I reached out to the Tennessee Highway Patrol and the trooper involved directly. They both declined to comment during pending litigation.
Sorry, I'm shaking. No, you're fine. I just been alone.
I went through hundreds of court documents and found 22 sober DUI lawsuits filed in Tennessee since last year when we began reporting on these types of incidents. I can tell you the majority are in Middle Tennessee, including Labreesha Batey's. Her claim is asking for $1.2 million. Her jury trial is set for March of 2027 if a settlement isn't reached first. We'll keep you updated. I'm Kelly Avellino for Fox 17 News, your Code Red station.